Hi, everyone. Welcome to Made by Google 2022. When we first put Tensor to work in Pixel 6, it was a huge step forward. We brought Tensor to Pixel 6a, bringing a helpful Pixel experience at a great value. The family of Pixel 6 and 6a has been the fastest selling Pixel generation ever. This is the future of where Pixel is going. Because for us, Pixel isn't only a phone experience, it's a personal, intelligent, and cohesive computing experience. And we're excited to advance the Pixel computing experience this year with our new Google Tensor G2 mobile compute platform.
We built Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro to be our most secure and private phones yet. Titan M2 is derived from the same chip we use to protect Google Cloud data centers. Titan M2 meets the same rigorous protection guidelines trusted by banks, carriers, and governments. Pixel 7 also provides 5 years of guaranteed security updates, so your phone gets the latest security protections over time.
Pixel has always been a leader in smartphone innovation, and we take it as a compliment when others in the industry follow our lead. We introduced car crash detection 3 years ago, along with other important ways to keep you safe, like Safety Check and emergency sharing. Pixel 7's improvements start with the looks. This is the ultimate refinement of Pixel, simplifying the parts and construction to make a phone that's sophisticated and distinct. Pixel 7 has a silky matte finish on the aluminum camera bar and housing with 3 color options. It features a sharp 6.3-inch display with smaller bezels and 25% higher peak brightness for incredible outdoor visibility during the day. Pixel 7 also includes a great all-day battery with up to 72 hours between charges when you use extreme battery saver mode. It sports a dual rear camera system, as well as an upgraded ultra-wide front-facing camera with a larger sensor for better nighttime selfies and stunning 4K video. And we're taking the Pixel lineup to new heights with Pixel 7 Pro. It's our most advanced phone yet, with a beautiful, sophisticated design and a pro-level camera with performance to match. You can see the premium polished aluminum finish on the camera bar and housing, which complements its 3 colors. Pixel 7 Pro has an upgraded, super sharp 6.7-inch display. With its variable refresh rate, you get responsive gaming and smooth scrolling without killing your battery. Pixel 7 Pro has a triple rear camera system, featuring upgraded telephoto and ultra-wide cameras. Its front-facing ultra-wide camera is great for low-light selfies, videos, and more. And the front camera has another role to play. Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro's front camera uses our advanced machine learning models for face recognition to power face unlock. So you have the faster, more secure under-display fingerprint reader, and now you have the convenience of unlocking your phone with a glance. Our next generation chip includes a dedicated TPU, so we can bring Google's state-of-the-art AI and personal intelligence directly to the phone. And the entire Tensor G2 chip has been designed to ensure every major subsystem works really well together. So now, machine learning runs up to 60% faster and up to 20% more efficiently on Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Take assistant voice typing, which is, on average, 2.5 times faster than using a keyboard. Pixel 7 is designed to be the best phone for actual phone calling. Coming in a feature drop later this year, Clear Calling will make it even easier to hear the other person at the other end of the line. Clear Calling uses machine learning to recognize, isolate, and eliminate distracting sounds like wind and traffic noise while enhancing your caller's voice.
With our new guided frame.
Guided frame is a smart selfie feature that helps blind and low vision users to take a beautiful selfie.
With Tensor G2's new ML denoiser, night sight is now twice as fast, reducing unwanted motion blur and producing beautiful low-light images with the same amount of clarity. Tensor G2 goes even further, using a cutting-edge machine learning approach to remove even more blur in even more photos, so your images are incredibly sharp. Photo Unblur uses Tensor G2's machine learning capabilities to remove blur and visual noise from entire images. So now, with just a few taps, you can relive the moment as clearly as you remember it. We're introducing cinematic blur to the Pixel camera. For the first time, you can shoot cinema-like videos with a beautifully shallow depth of field. With our highest quality video stabilization technology, Tensor G2 brings together hardware and software to help you get pro-looking videos that capture the moment and not your movement.
Pixel 7 Pro has the highest quality zoom on a Pixel ever. Our next generation super res zoom allows us to roughly double the magnification of our optical lenses. As you zoom in even more, hand motion starts to become an issue. At 15x zoom, even small movements translate into jarring changes in the viewfinder, and this can make composition really hard. Pixel 7 Pro zoom stabilization keeps your camera steady when zooming past 15x. It identifies the subject in the viewfinder, then stabilizes the camera on it, even if your hands are drifting or shaking. So now, you'll be able to take amazing, detailed photos all the way up to 30x, the largest zoom magnification ever on a Pixel. Pixel 7 Pro's new ultra-wide lens is 21% wider than Pixel 7's, and it now has autofocus, which powers our new macro focus. Pixel 7 Pro delivers gorgeous, detailed photos at 0.5x, at 30x, and everywhere in between.
Putting Google's personalized intelligence right in your hand. Pixel 7 Pro is Google's most powerful phone. It brings serious performance and an upgraded telephoto lens with the highest quality zoom on a smartphone yet. They're available for pre-order starting today and on shelf next week. We want people to give Pixel a try. So, while phones in this tier typically start at $799, we're starting the price at just $599. The Pixel 7 Pro starts at $899, much lower than other flagship devices.
Hey everyone, we're so excited today to finally give you a complete look at our new flagship Google Pixel Watch. It's the first smartwatch to deliver the best of Google and Fitbit, and it's the perfect companion to your Pixel devices. Pixel Watch features a beautiful custom-developed 3D cover glass that's tough and scratch-resistant, and the curved form makes it unique and inviting. With Pixel Watch, you can simplify your life with the best of Google on your wrist. Adjust your thermostat from your watch with the Google Home app. Listen to your favorite artists with YouTube Music, whether you're on a run, without your phone, or just running an errand. And with Google Assistant, you can use your voice to do quick actions like sending messages, setting timers, controlling your music, and starting your run. Pixel Watch is also the first Wear OS device with Fitbit. Together, Google and Fitbit deliver a personal smartwatch experience like none other. Pixel Watch uses a combination of on-device machine learning and deep optimization down to the processor level to give you an accurate measurement of your heart rate continuously at once per second. Pixel Watch is powered by Fitbit's most accurate heart rate tracking yet. It even lends insights into the quality of your sleep. Check your sleep score each morning and see your sleep stage breakdown for light sleep, REM, and deep sleep. You can also check the Fitbit app to see your long-term sleep trends. Use those insights to understand your sleep quality and build healthy habits to get the best rest every night. With rich heart rate data, you can use your daily readiness score with Fitbit Premium to assess whether you're ready to work out or should prioritize recovery. And during your workout, Pixel Watch will track active zone minutes, which helps you maximize the time you spend in your target heart rate zones. So you get credit and make every workout productive. You'll be able to assess your heart rhythm for AFib with the ECG app and provide peace of mind for you and your loved ones with emergency SOS. And fall detection is coming in 2023 to detect hard falls and alert emergency services on your behalf.
So you can choose from 3 distinct jewelry-inspired finishes in stainless steel. They come in black, silver, and gold. And you get deep customization with our innovative band system. You'll notice that the Pixel Watch doesn't have prominent external legs like a lot of watches do. Instead, the bands attach internally, similar to how a camera lens attaches to a camera body. So you just twist and click, and you get a seamless transition between the watch and the band.
Google Pixel Watch starts at $349, and it's available for pre-order today and on shelves starting next week.
The Pixel family doesn't feel complete without a larger screen. So we set out to build a device that brings together recent advances in Android, Tensor's personal intelligence, and our Pixel design. The result is a device that only Google can make, Google Pixel Tablet. We designed Pixel Tablet with premium materials and finishes, as well as smooth, rounded corners, to make it an unmistakable part of the Pixel family. The foundation for the Pixel tablet is Android. including Material U, so you can completely personalize it with custom color palettes, new color variants based on your wallpaper and lock screens. This is also the first time we're bringing the power of Google Tensor G2 to an all-new form factor. With Tensor G2's advanced image processing and machine learning, Pixel Tablet has a whole new level of personalized intelligence and understanding. We heard an interesting theme emerge. It turns out that tablets are homebodies. They're home 80% of the time and only useful for a very small portion of the day. So we set out to build something better. With Pixel Tablet, we're taking everything we've learned from years of making products for the home and for Pixel and combining it into one great device. It reimagines how a tablet can actually be helpful all the time in your home by pairing it with a new charging speaker dock. Ta-da! We'll take a moment. It keeps your devices charged and makes your tablet helpful 24/7, and it unlocks a whole new set of experiences in the home. My Pixel tablet also gives me easy control of all my smart home devices, so I can turn the lights off in the house, set the thermostat to the perfect sleep temperature without ever getting out of bed. And we took special care to tune the magnets so it can easily dock or undock the Pixel tablet.
We developed an entirely new nanoceramic coating inspired by the fine texture of porcelain. This is a custom finishing process where small ceramic particles are infused into the coating that we apply to the tablet's 100% recycled aluminum body. This gives it a soft, matte, and textured feel like no other tablet.
And when it's in your hand, the premium nano-ceramic finish is both beautiful and comfortable. And we can't wait to share more when it's available next year.
The Pixel family is finally all coming together. A growing portfolio, all harnessing Google's state-of-the-art AI to understand your needs and make life easier. That's what makes a Pixel. It's a level of helpfulness and personal intelligence that's totally unique in the mobile computing world. It's a foundation we'll be building on for years to come. We can't wait for you to try this personal computing experience for yourself when the newest members of the Pixel family hit store shelves next week. And thank you so much for watching today.